everybody, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, you can obviously see I got something different going on with this hair. I am in love with it, honestly. But before I get into all that, I just want to say welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit that notification bell, because I do upload videos every single week. So yeah, now that that's out the way, let's get right up into this hair, y'all. So this isn't necessarily a natural hair tutorial, because that's what I'm used to doing. This is a hair recreation. Now, if you're not a fan, or if you're living under a rock, if you don't know who Rico Nasty is, she is a female rapper, and she just recently came out with her music video for her song Counting Up on her album Nasty that just came out a couple months ago. And this was the hair that she had in her video. Well, not the exact same hair, but a recreation of the hairstyle that she had in the video. She had these two cute curly big ponytails with these cute little balls on each of the top parts. I'm gonna go ahead and post a clip of the video right here somewhere. You'll see it. Yeah, so when I saw that video, I was immediately in love, and I said, I've got to recreate that. I have to recreate the hairstyle, because I thought it was so cute. I thought it was so original, and I thought it was just like, you know what? It's my time to shine, because I love this, and I love Rico Nasty. So yeah, let me go ahead and stop all this little rambling that I'm doing, so y'all can go ahead and see how I got these two cute big curly ponytails recreated from Rico Nasty's Counting Up video. And the hair that I'm using is the Freetress deep wave hair. I'm gonna go ahead and post like a picture somewhere in my video, because I accidentally threw away the packaging and I meant to show it on camera, so that was my mistake. But I will be posting a video somewhere, or the clip of, or the, you know what I'm trying to say, the picture somewhere in the video as I'm doing the tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the video. Alright y'all, so this is the hair that I use. This is the Freetress deep wave. And then this is one of the ponytails that I actually finished off camera, because I didn't want to spend too much time recording. So this is how it looks when it's all separated and fluffed out, so that way it can look more full and better when I put it on my hair. So here's the ponytail that I didn't show on camera. This is a whole different ponytail. I'm just basically taking the large pieces of this ponytail and separating them. So like I said, it can look more full and more voluminous once I put it on. I just took a little bit of like hair oil, and just like a cheap oil, to put on my hair, so that way the pieces won't come out really frizzy and they'll look, you know, more natural and not so dry. So the next thing I like to do is take a wide tooth comb and just kind of gently detangle any of those pieces that I did, so that way they won't tangle up or be super matted before I even put it on my hair. So I'm just going to gently run the comb through it. As you can see, I'm not pulling really hard. I'm just being really gentle with the hair.
Hit me if you need some narcos. I've been working every day, no love talking on Instagram, just to make you love. It's upsetting if these bitches think they bet.
Then I'm going to take my cheap scissors, and I'm just going to go on the ends and just kind of snip off any stragglers or any blunt pieces or any pieces that just don't look good with the hair. So it's the next day, and here's my hair completely stretched. No, I did not blow dry my hair or anything. I didn't put any direct heat on it. I just wanted my hair to be stretched, so that way it'll be easier to put my hair into the pigtails. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take my one side of my hair and gather it all up to the top of my head, where I'm going to have my pigtail placed. Then I'm going to take my hair tie and just wrap it around and create my first pigtail.
My dick, so what? It don't matter, 'cause I'm steady. You can't even handle a bitch like me. Make my own money, buy my own weed.
Then to slick down my hair, I'm going to use this jam. I'm going to rub it in between my hands and then rub it all over my ponytail to lay down any flyaways. Then I'm going to take my hard brush and smooth everything down. Then I'm gonna wrap my hair around itself and then secure it with a hair tie, and then I'm gonna repeat the exact same steps on the other side.
I be pushing and the studio like a chef. They like go what you cooking. Probably one of these bitches' heads. I'm better than order. No, this is not a drill. Oh, this shit a test. You need to roll out. Cause you act you hesitate. I bet you can't count all the money that I just spent. Nigga to the fans like the Jasmine. My rack's too big. I just popped my rubber band. What? Bitches on my dick. So what?
Now I'm going to take some of this Got To Be glued and apply it to my hair so I can further smooth down my edges.
Bitches on my dick. So what?
Then I'm going to take the edge of my hard brush and then smooth down my baby hairs. And to keep my ponytail in place for a longer period of time, I'm going to take my silk scarf and then just wrap it around my head and leave that on while I apply my makeup. It's ponytail time. Alright, so I'm about to put on my pigtails, but I'm going to go ahead and not really talk over this part and kind of speed through it because this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to put the ponytails on each side and then adjust them to my liking and then put on the balls, and then yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm finished with it.
Hit me Motorola if you need some narcos. I've been one every day, no ever off talking on Instagram. Pistol make you love. It's upsetting if these bitches think they better than me. Got the bar too high and it's hard to beat. Crochet is dark, so it's hard to see. The easy bar is money, but it's hard to keep. I know you seeing busy since these bother me. Like I pass, you ain't as small as me. You a slut, double shorty, you a want to be. See on the scene, you know that I charge the thick. What? Bitches on my dick. What? It don't matter 'cause I'm steady counting. What? Bitches on my dick. So what? It don't matter 'cause I'm steady.
Alright y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in to this hair tutorial with me and this hair recreation. If you stuck around to the end of the video, I greatly appreciate all your support. I appreciate your views, comments, and all the positivity that you guys give me. I know my channel isn't really big right now and I don't have a lot of subscribers, but everybody who is subscribed, thank y'all so much. Even if you're not subscribed and you're still watching my video, I greatly appreciate it. And if you aren't subscribed while I'm at it, again, make sure you please hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit the notification bell so that way you can know exactly when you're getting a video from me, because this YouTube algorithm is a hot mess right now, but we're gonna get used to it and we're gonna get through it together, okay? So yeah, that's it for today's video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, love y'all.